Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of content marketing. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or content creator, this video is your ultimate guide to understanding and excelling in content marketing. We'll take you through each step, unraveling the concepts and strategies behind this powerful marketing approach. So, let's jump right in and unlock the secrets of content marketing success.
1. Defining content marketing.
Begin by understanding the core concept of content marketing. We'll explain what it is, why it matters, and how it differs from traditional advertising.
2. Knowing your audience.
Explore the importance of knowing your target audience inside out. Learn how to create buyer personas to tailor your content to their preferences, needs, and pain points.
3. Creating valuable content.
Discover the key to effective content marketing. Creating valuable, relevant, and engaging content. We'll discuss different content formats such as blog posts, videos, infographics, and podcasts. 4. Setting clear goals. Define your content marketing goals. Whether it's brand awareness, lead generation, or customer retention, having clear objectives will guide your content strategy. 5. Developing a content strategy. Craft a comprehensive content strategy. Learn how to plan, organize, and schedule your content to ensure consistent delivery and maximum impact. 6. SEO and keyword strategy. Explore the role of SEO in content marketing. Understand how to conduct keyword research and optimize your content to improve its visibility on search engines. 7. Promoting your content. Learn how to promote your content effectively. We'll discuss social media marketing, email campaigns, and other distribution channels to reach a wider audience.
8. Measuring success in analytics.
Discover how to measure the success of your content marketing efforts. Learn about key metrics like traffic, engagement, and conversion rates, and how to use analytics tools to gain insights.
9.
Continuous improvement. Embrace the mindset of continuous improvement. We'll explore ways to gather feedback, analyze results, and refine your content strategy for better outcomes. Conclusion.
Congratulations!
You've completed our step-by-step guide to understanding content marketing. By following these points, you're well on your way to creating impactful content that resonates with your audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing tips and insights. Get ready to take your content marketing to new heights and drive meaningful results.